Today we're going to play How Much Do You Know About the Human Body? 55 questions. Subscribe for more content. Vema for 1 easy. How many bones does the average adult have? Exactly. A 206. What is the largest organ in the human body? Correct. B. Skin. How many senses does a human traditionally have? Well done. B. 5. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? That's right. B. Heart. How many eyes does a person normally have? Exactly. B. 2. Which part of the body allows us to smell? Correct. B. Nose. What is the name of the red liquid that flows through our veins? Perfect. A. Blood. How many teeth does an average adult have? Correct. C. 32. Which muscle do we use to breathe? Exactly. A. Diaphragm. What is the longest bone in the body? Well done. B. Femur. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood? That's right. B. Heart. What is the name of the set of bones that form the human body? Perfect. A. Skeletal system. Which part of the body produces tears? B. Lacrimal glands. Which organ is responsible for digesting food? A. Stomach. Which part of the body do we use to hear? Now we are going for the medium level 2. What is the pigment that gives colour to the skin and hair? What is the main function of the small intestine? Correct. B. Absorb nutrients. How many lobes does the human brain have? That's right. B. 4. Which part of the body produces insulin? Well done. A. Pancreas. What is the main function of white blood cells? Correct. B. Fight infections. Which organ stores bile? Perfect. B. Gallbladder. What is the cornea? Exactly. B. A transparent layer in the eye. What is the name of the bone in the arm that runs from the shoulder to the elbow? Correct. C. Humerus. Which part of the human body continues to grow throughout life? That's right. A. Nose and ears. What percentage of the human body is made up of water? Perfect. B. 60%. What is the main function of the lungs? Correct. Exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. How many fingers does a human hand have? What is the name of the joint where two bones meet? What is the name of the white part of the eye? Which of these organs is not part of the digestive system? Wow, we are already on the difficult level 3. What is the joint that connects the leg to the foot called? Which gland is responsible for regulating metabolism? What substance gives blood its red colour? What is the name of the protein that helps with skin flexibility? Well done. A. Collagen. How many muscles are used approximately when smiling? That's right, B, 23. What is the only bone in the body that is not connected to another? How many kidneys does a healthy person have? What is the outermost layer of the skin called? Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Well done, B, kidneys. Which part of the ear helps maintain balance? Perfect, C, vestibule. What is the only organ in the body that can regenerate itself? What is the structure that connects muscles to bones called? How many pairs of ribs does the human body have? Which part of the brain is responsible for coordination and balance? What is the process by which the body converts food into energy called? Now we have reached the last questions, expert level. Which part of the brain regulates basic functions like breathing and heart rate? How many vertebrae does the human spine have? Which hormone is known as the stress hormone? What type of nerve cells transmit impulses from the brain to the muscles? What is the name of the gland that regulates sleep by producing melatonin? What is the structure in the inner ear that converts vibrations into electrical signals for the brain? Which protein is responsible for transporting oxygen in the blood? Which part of the brain is associated with regulating emotions and memory?